The Edo State Sawmillers Association, led by its president, Comrade Friday Agwokian, has congratulated Senator Monday Okpebholo of the executive governor of Edo State on his victory at the Supreme on Thursday, which put a final rear to the dispute in the September 21st, 2024 governorship election. Recall that Governor Okpebholo polled 291,667 votes to beat his closest opponent, Ighodalo of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), who scored 247,274 votes in the September 21st governorship election result declared by the Independent National Electoral Commission, and the outcome was challenged by the PDP and Ighodalo. Comrade Agwokian, in a statement on behalf of the association, hailed the people of Edo State for reposing confidence in the APC and its renewed hope agenda and rewarding the party with Okpebholo's victory. He stated that Edo people spoke through the ballot, which has been reaffirmed by the Supreme Court in the land, adding that the Supreme Court judgment truly demonstrates that Edo people gave their mandate to Okpebholo. He also congratulated President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for deepening democracy in the country, adding that the outcome of the Edo State election, which was affirmed and reaffirmed by the Tribunal, Court of Appeal, and the Supreme Court, shows a vote of confidence in the Tinubu administration. Comrade Agwokian promised that the Edo State chapter of Sawmillers will wholeheartedly support the administration of Governor Monday Okpebholo to enable him succeed in the governance of Edo State and in delivering the dividend of democracy to the people of the state.